Natural gas yet again delivered a bearish week. We have seen it dropping towards 2.05 levels while closing the week at 2.15. Can we say that there is a possibility of a reversal, or it is going to fall below $2 levels, which is going to be a critical milestone for net gas? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators, and towards the end, I am going to give you trading levels and strategies. So watch till the end. This is a weekly review. I do share daily updates and targets for NatGas, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, charts and indicators. If you look at 4-hour charts, traditionally, if you look at the movement in NatGas, it always tries to move towards 20-50 period moving average. This time again, forming the base at 2.05, it has seen a rise. It has moved towards 20 period, and now trading about 20 period appears that it can move towards 50 period moving average, which is sitting at around 2.2 to 2.25 zone, which is also a critical resistance. Also, if you look at first bullish candle retracement and then the rise here, so it can continue here for a while towards 2.2 to 2.25 zone. Possibility is there that it can start the week on a slight bullish note. Maybe it can give a gap up as well. If you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence and are staying bearish as of now. The stochastic is looking upwards, trying to enter into overbought zone. While the MACD, if you look at it, is crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards, suggests that possibility of a recovery exists from the current levels. RSI is also showing a little rise. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, you can see moving averages crossing over here. This is a sign of bearishness, and these are trading with divergence, which is again a sign of bearishness. Also, if you look at the formation, gas has been trading in this bearish channel. Very important for it to break beyond 2.3 levels here, and then the strongest one is between 2.4 to 2.5. This is going to be a greatest resistance for net gas to break past by, because that will also mark the breakout out of this channel, and that will confirm a little retracement further on the upside. We have to watch more closely how it behaves at 2.25, 2.3, 2.4 levels here. Very good resistance will be observed. See, this is a bearish cross which has been seen after a couple of months, and thus it may continue here for a while. Stochastic has hit oversold levels, double bottom here, trying to bounce back. So that is also confirms that there could be a recovery here. Look at MACD crossing over here at the top, hitting the bottom here. I have mentioned here itself that this is a bearish cross and it can hit the lows here. Now, if you look at double bottom, and it appears that it is, see, this is the main trend, this is the retracement, and a crossover here can lead to a reversal in net gas prices. Though right now the signs are not very much encouraging on all the other time frames. If you look at RSI, this is also hit the oversold levels. Whenever it hits the oversold levels, it tries to bounce back and recover strong. So few signs here on the daily charts that there could be a recovery possible for the first couple of sessions at least in the coming week, where the prices may try to move towards 2.25, 2.3 levels. Now look at the weekly charts here. What has happened on the weekly charts? The week opened on a bearish note. It has continued here on the downside, formed a tail and closed at 2.15. Now if you look at the complete move, the body is greater than 50%, suggests that it is still not to be treated bullish here. And as long as I said, 2.3 levels are not taken here, we should not be treating this for a reversal. Beyond 2.3 is the level beyond which you can expect that it may turn bullish for towards 2.25, 2.5, 2.6 levels. So 2.3 is the level you should watch out for. It is going to be critical here. Also, another observation on the weekly charts is the gas breaking below this support channel here. It is now turning into sell side. This is a critical observation. For it to again get back into the track, it has to bounce back here. It has to trade about 2.45, 2.5 levels. So that is also confirms that only if it breaks beyond this zone, you can say that it is a good reversal here. Else, if you look at the weekly charts, what has happened here after the drop here, you can see this retracement, lower lows, lower highs. It is trying to trade in this bearish channel. Where is the lows of this channel? Towards 1.4 levels. Though I suspect that it is going to move towards these levels, but these are markets looking at the move what we have seen in last few weeks. It appears anything and everything is possible. Thus, once it drops below 2 and 1.98 levels, you can say more bearishness is going to be seen, where the next targets in fact can be towards 1.8 levels, if not in the coming week, then in the near future. But look at the stochastic on weekly charts, it has come to oversold. Look at the last few drops towards oversold zone. We have seen it recovering strong, and this could be one of the reversal, one of the levels from where prices may recover. Look at MACD here. MACD main trend, retracement, main trend. It is trying to cross over, not yet crossed over. So a bullish week here may help it diverge and continue its trend on the upside. RSI has dropped as well. Signs of bearishness here as well. Coming to month on the monthly charts, what has happened? Drop, retracement, lower lows, lower highs, trading in this bearish channel here. This is a sideways channel in which it is trying to trade before it shows a recovery. On the monthly charts, there is a bearish cross here as well amongst the moving averages, and there are greater resistances now towards 3.5 zone. Very strong resistances are observed here. Now, if you look at, see the resistance here from where prices have reversed, there was a reversal sign, and this month it is continued on the downside. Now, if you observe the preceding candle to this candle, where were the lows at close to $2 levels, and thus we have to be watchful. It can hit the lows here, it can form a symmetrical formation. See, the opening is almost same, so possibly it could try to either stay in this or may remain range bound for the rest of the month, which means that even if it tries to drop, I do not see it breaking below $2 levels, means or 1.98 levels. These are going to remain stronger support levels. If you see net gas at these levels, you can initiate a buying position. Stochastic here is rising. The MACD, if you look at, interestingly, MACD has seen a sharper correction for months, and now it is on the verge of a crossover. This can lead to reversal. RSI right now trading bearish. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy here. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments, including indices, commodities. Write an email or ping me your Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a step-free account, lowest spreads and no hidden charges. And yes, most important, that it is available worldwide. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now let's talk about the levels. See, you can buy here in between 2.16 levels, 2.17 levels itself. Expect it to move towards 2.2 first resistance, 2.22 the next, and then we can see 2.255 levels the next target. Once it stays above this, the chances of net gas hitting 2.3 will be very high. These are going to be key milestones for the net gas on the upside. Once 2.3 is taken, you can say now we are having a bullish run in net gas, where the prices may in fact hit 2.36, 2.4 levels. Beyond 2.4, it is a clear bullish indication that prices are trying to reverse. But again, as I said, as long as 2.26 levels are not taken on the upside, do not treat natural gas as bullish. Whether it is going to take couple of weeks, couple of months or more, 2.26 is going to be the first milestone for net gas in order to turn bullish towards $3 levels. On the sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.13, expect 2.11, 2.08 and 2.05. Now once it drops below 2.05, the chances of it trading below $2 levels will increase, and then we can look forward to 1.98, 1.95 levels. Breaking below 1.95, stay short. Do not think that it is going to come back. We can look forward to 1.9 and 1.8 levels very soon, which is a critical support. So I do not see possibly, I think it is going to be difficult for net gas to break past by this zone between 1.95 $2 levels. So take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel. And if you have any queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel, connect with me over Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.